Good morning, my dear students. Today's topic is types of media. We are having different types in media: newspapers, television, magazines, radio, and internet. Let us discuss about types of media and advertising media definition. Here we are having various means advertising vehicles such as billboards, magazines, newspapers, radio, television, and internet, by which promotional messages are communicated to public using words, speech, and pictures. Here we are having number of types of medias. Those are newspapers, magazines, billboards, television, radio, and internet. Through these all type of media channels, we can promote our product, our service, our business in the market. We are easily communicated about our products or services in the market, and we can develop the brand image in the market. There are 9 types of advertising media available to an advertiser: direct mail, newspaper, magazines, and radio advertising, television advertising, film advertising, outdoor advertising, window display, trade and exhibitions, specially advertising, and last one, online advertising. These are different medias of advertising. Coming to the first one is direct mail. Direct mail means writing to the customer directly. We are writing the one mail towards the customers directly. The more precise your mailing list or distribution area, the more of your target market you will reach. A direct mail approach is more personal, as you can select your audience and plan timing to suit your business. The more precise your mailing list or distribution area, the more of your target you will reach. A direct mail approach is more personal. Here we are forwarding a direct mail towards a customer, which is more personal. Yeah, you can select your audience and plan timing to suit your business. Through the direct mail concept, we can choose selected audience and we can wear our own plannings and timing suit for businesses. A cost-effective form of direct mail is to send your newsletters or flyers electronically to an email database. Find out more about direct mail. Here it is a cost-effective, it will be cost only. And coming to catalogs, brochures, leaflets can also be distributed to your target area. In society, so many sales representatives will distribute the catalogs, brochures, leaflets, and pamphlets in the target market area to promoting their business and services and products, etc. Including a brochure with your direct mail is a great way to give an interested customer more information about our products and services. Learn more about leaflet marketing using letterbox, drops, and handouts. Newspaper and magazines. Coming to the newspaper, newspaper is one type of advertising media. It can also promote your business to wide range of customers. From newspaper also, we can promote our business we can promote our products and services by displaying ads in the newspaper. Here, displaying ads in the newspaper are very important, which are placed throughout the paper, while classified listings are under subject headings in a specific section. You may find that a combination of advertising in your state metropolitan newspaper and your local paper gives you the best results. Here we want to select the paper. We are having the local newspapers and the state or metropolitan newspapers or national papers. Depend upon your market requirement and your business demand, we can choose the which type of paper you want. And coming to the magazine, advertising in a specialist magazine can reach your target market quickly and easily. Through magazine advertising, we can reach the target market and customers quickly and easily. Readers, your potential customers, tend to read magazines. If your target market people are reading the magazines, means at their leisure time, they keep up them for a longer. They build a good relation between customers and marketer. So we can communicate with them and we can promote our product, our services, our business ideas towards our customers, giving your advertisement multiple chances to attract attention. Magazines generally serve consumer by interest group, example, women's. Here, number of magazines will generally serve the consumers, mainly interest group are women's, and trade, industry and business types are example, hospitality. Hospitality is very important here. If your products need to be displayed in the color, then glossy by advertisements in a magazine can be ideal. Here, if your products are need to be displayed in color, magazine and newspaper is very important. It looks very attractive, although they are generally more expensive than newspaper advertisement. Here, magazine advertisement is more expensive compared to newspaper. Okay, magazines do not usually serve a small area such as a specific town. Here, magazines won't serve in small areas. It will serve in metropolitan cities and states well developed, especially urban developed areas. And if your target market is only a small percentage of circulation, then advertising may not be cost effective. Radio advertising. Advertising and radio is a great way to reach your target audience. And if your target market listens a particular station, then regularly advertising can attract new customers. We want to identify the customer's favorite radio channel. So via that channel, if you promote your products and your services and your business, then you will have very good market. Okay. And however, sound has its own limitations. Listeners can find it difficult to remember what they have heard. Sometimes the impact of radio advertising is lost. Here, impact of radio advertising is lost because so many customers unable to remember the advertising. The best way to overcome this to repeat your message regularly. We want to repeat the message regularly in radio advertising, which increases your cost significantly. If you repeatedly providing advertisement in radio channel, it will be cost. If you cannot afford to play your advertisement regularly, you might find that radio advertising does not generate strong results. If you are not concentrating or if you are not doing repeatedly advertisement in radio, means it is useless. We cannot build a strong results. We cannot build a strong market in this society. Okay. Coming to the television advertising. Here, television advertising is compared to with radio advertising. It is very best. It is very attractable, memorable, reasonable, educating, and compared to radio advertising, TV advertising is cost effective. Television has an extensive reach and advertising this way is ideal. If you cater to a large market in large area, here by help of television advertising, we can target large market area. Television advertisement have the advantage of sight, vision, sound, movement, color, and it will educate a customer to buy from you. They are particularly useful if you need to demonstrate how your product or service works. Producing a television advertisement and then buying an advertising slot is generally expensive. Here, producing television advertisement and buying advertisement slot is generally expensive. It is depend upon the size of the advertisement, time of the advertisement, and telecasting period of advertisement, slot, and number of time repetition of advertisement. Here, advertising is sold in units. Example, 20, 30, 60 seconds. As cost vary according to time period. The time slot, television program, whether it is metro or regional area, if you want to buy sports on multiple networks. In this way, television advertising is marketing products and goods and services and business in the market. Film advertising. This is also known as cinema advertising. This is also provides sight and hearing facilities like television. Short advertisement films are not prepared by big houses, big business houses, which are sent to different cinema houses to be shown to the audience before the regular shows or during the intermission. It has more repetitive value, but not to the same viewers. Its coverage is limited, which benefits the local population only. It is a very costly medium involving higher distribution and film making cost. Here, advertising, film advertising is a short advertisement. Films are not prepared by big business houses and it has more repetitive value, but not same viewers. Here, film advertising having more repetitive value, but not same viewers. It coverages limited, which benefits the local population only. Only big organization can afford to produce advertisement films. Only big organization can be able to afford produce advertisement films. It ensures more flexibility at a larger cost. Its effectiveness cannot be measured properly. Film-based filmmaking is a time-consuming process. Outdoor advertising. This type of advertising include different media like posters, placards, electric displays, and neon signs, sandwichmen, skywriting, bus, train, and tram advertising. This is also known as moral advertising. The main aim of outdoor advertising is to catch the attention of passerby within twinkling of an eye. Here, the main objective of outdoor advertising is we want to catch the attention of customers who are passing on the road in fraction of seconds. This is most effective medium of an advertising. This is very suitable in case of consumable and household articles like soaps, medicines, fans, shoes, and pens. These are called FMCG, fast moving consumable goods. And posters and placards are usually fixed on the walls near the roadsides and railway stations and bus stands also. These posters are made up of thick paper or metal paper or wood or iron and carry the advertising message towards the target customers, easily read and seen from a distance. This advertisement is we can see from a distance area, we can easily read it and it is very attractable also. This poster also pasted on back of buses, trains and trams, which are greatly helpful in carrying the message throughout outside the city. Painted displays are prepared by expert painters which carry attractive multicolor pictures. Here, painted displays are prepared by expert painters which carry attractive multicolored pictures. also impress upon the people. Here advertising should be very attractive by the customers. Coming to the window display, it is a common method which is usually undertaken by the retailers. Here, when you enter a shopping mall, before entering at the outside, you will see the window display. What type of items are available? Here, first example is painting shop. We are seeing that painters which is available. There are 4 different English color, light color items, very attractive. Looking is very good. And second example is this is a cloth showroom. Very number of variety of female dressings are there. Kurtas is there, pajamas is there, Punjabis and midis and different traditions dresses are appeared in the window display. This is known as exterior display. It is most effective and direct method of influencing people. Window display has direct appeal to take on the lookers. It is instrument in arousing the desire to purchase in prospective customers. It acts as a silent salesman. In order to operate this method successfully, goods should be arranged properly and systematically in the show window. When the show window is very attractive, very beautiful, immediately that leads to increase our customers and increase our sales. The articles in the window should be regularly changed. The advertiser should not forget that the windows is the index of his shop. Here, advertiser should not forget that the window is the index of his shop. Utmost care should be undertaken to display the products in windows. Here, utmost care should be undertaken to display the products in the window. And fairs and exhibitions. A trade exhibition of a fair is organized at extensive sale, which is attended by different manufacturers. Here, trade exhibition is held by different manufacturers with trade along with their products to be sold to the large number of people who visit the exhibition. The exhibition may be either organized by local, provincial, or international basis. The example of some of international exhibitions, Expo 70 of Japan, Asia 72, are recent trade fair at Delhi every year. Different stalls or pavilions are allotted to various traders who display their goods in their pavilions. Here, number of sales exhibitions and sales fairs are there. Coming to the example, Japan Expo 70, Asia 72, and the manufacturers also distribute sales literature, sometimes free samples of goods to the people. Here, manufacturer is providing free sample to the customer to increase the sales and to attract the customers. Facilitators of practical demonstration. Here, entrepreneurs are facilitating practical demonstrations, and the customers clearly understand the method of operation and use of the product. In the case of international exhibitions, traders of different countries assemble at one place. They can conveniently share the experience of their respective countries with each other, which are really informative and useful for all of them. They conveniently share experience of their respective countries. Here we have known that beach festival, Lepax exhibition, educational summit, and recently so many years onwards, Vizag is celebrating educational fair and beach festival, food festival, flower exhibition, and art exhibition. These are examples for fair and exhibitions. It provides ample opportunity for learning. The huge gathering of people is exhibition provides a larger market for sale. Specialty of advertising. Here, specialty of advertising. Most of the business houses in order to increase their sales and advertise their products. Give gifts like diaries, purses, teacups, pens, and some gift articles, and paperweights, calendars, name of the firm or a dealer inscribed on the articles presented. And coming to the online advertising, being on internet can be cost-effective way to attract new customers. By the help of online marketing and social media and email, we can build up the network, and by website also we can attract the number of customers. We are having different strategies and different forms to attract the new customers, and we are having the search engine office organization also to attract the new customers in the market. And blogging the market, mobile applications, and several methods are there to attract the customers to increase the sales and revenue in the market. A well-designed website can entice customers to buy from you. There are a number of ways you can promote your business through via online media. You can promote your products and services through online media. Advertising or to improve your search engine rankings. Here, learn more about doing business online method. Other ways to advertise your business online include promoting your products or services on social media, Twitter, Facebook, YouTube, Artut, Instagram, etc. And blogs and search engines and other websites that you target audience visits. Find out more about social media, which is very favorable to the customers. It will be very helpful to the promoting of your business or your products or your services in the market. Thanking you, my dear students. Please subscribe my YouTube channel.